Down the right-hand side of your card, all to the left or all to the right. Dog days pays $500 and your first spin ball
Okay, left
is
to
on the left.
Dog days. 500. Uy, hindi pa. Ay. 47. Ano ba nangyari?
One more time, we're playing dog days, looking for a coverall down the left-hand side or a coverall down the right-hand side. All to the left or all to the right. First spin balls, 47. 72.
72. Isa lang. 9.
9.
41. Baka naduduling ako.
41.
75. 74.
74.
67.
67.
73. Sablay pa. 73.
73.
61.
61. 63.
Oo, red or ano. Ano yan? 28. Ano, 28?
28.
Ayan, dalawa na lang to. 25, 68.
7.
49. 49.
49.
43.
43.
42 sa mga.
32.
44, come on. 44.
44.
33. No, 33?
33. 54.
Puro kayo, ma'am? Mama Son, anong puro niyo? 46.
27.
Mama Son, ayun ang gonna be on there.
Please hold your cards. You have that being reset.
Mga patingin. Mama Son, 46. Puro ka? Oh, shit.